a straight back. So I mean by say with chatfinch and the bullfinch are all ground feeders. There's not a lot around for them to eat during the winter. So if anybody wants to donate to the birds, help feed them through the winter, they can do by ordering some bird food and just sending it direct to the farm. Willow Gap Farm, Hayden Bridge, Hexham, NE 47 6DX. The birds eat peanuts, sunflower seeds, sunflower hearts, mealworm, fat balls. Look how many I've got. There's not a lot around for them in the winter to eat. Some amount in there. It's unbelievable, man. There must be 30 or 40 on the fucking ground. Best bird garden in the whole of Northumberland, this, by far. That's for sure. Right, that'll do for now, I think. Just thought I'd show you what I'm like at tea time. Especially the winter months. They rely on me, these birds. Right, that'll do. How many birds I've got? Unbelievable, man. Look at the chatfinch on the ground. $100 birds at once. Someone's just chased them.